Hello Chroma kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw cat. Cats are a small furry animal that love to play and cuddle. They have short claws and soft paw, and they make a cute sound called meow. Cats are run fast, jump high, are very good at catching little things like toy or even mice. Some cats love to chase ball of yarn, while others like to sit in the sun and relax. Once upon a time, there was a cat named Milo. One day, Milo saw a tiny mouse sneaking into the kitchen. Instead of chasing it away, Milo waiting patiently. The mouse, thinking it was safe, came closer to the crumbs. When the time was right, Milo gently catched the mouse, but instead of hurting it, Milo let the mouse go and said, "Remember, little mouse, patience and kindness go a long way." So, moral of the story is being kind and patient is always a good idea. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.